Hello, my name is Rodolfo and this is my project for CS50 cars. Here we have the models of the project. We have one for auction listing, one for bids and one for comments, and more. Here we have the active listing page. We can, by pressing create listing, if we are signed, we can specify an auction name, a description. This is a description. We can specify a category like technology, a starting bid like 10, a content, this content, and we can choose a photo like this. We create and we can see the publication. Here is the active listing page. Here we can see every item of every auction, and we can see the starting bid, the current bid, the title, and a photo. We can press in the item and we are in the listing page now. Here we have the information and the current bid. We can add to watchlist and then we can clear from watchlist the item. We can bid on the item. For example, we enter with another user and we can bid for this item. We can bid, for example, 9, but we receive the error offer must not be minor than the starting bid or current bid if any. We can put another bid like, and congratulations, your offer is accepted. We can see here the current bid. We can close the auction. We log in with the owner of the auction, and here we can see the auction and the close auction button. This button appears only if the user logged in is the same owner of the auction. We close the auction and we see here this auction is closed. This auction is closed. And we can go to Franco's account and we can see how here says you won this auction. You won this auction. This auction is closed. We can write comments. Here we put a title like title, and this is a comment, and we can see the comment here below. We can also add to watchlist an item, activate item. If we go to the watchlist, we can, by pressing the item, see a description. We can go and see categories like technology. We see all technology items. Music, we see all the music items. Computers is empty. We can also, if we log with the super user, edit all that is in the admin, Django admin. We can see all the listing auction, all the comments, and we can edit everything that is here. This has been my project. Thanks for watching and see you next video.